So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle with its center lying on the line 3x plus 4y equals to 7, and it passes through the points 1, -2 and the other point being 4, -3. We'll begin by first considering the equation of a circle. So let's do that. Let the equation of the circle be, so here we are considering the general equation of a circle given by x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Here the constant g, f and c are used to determine the center and the radius of the particular circle. So the center is going to be defined as having coordinate -g, -f, and the radius is defined as square root of -g whole squared plus -f whole squared minus c. Now the points which is given to us, the points that are 1, -2 and 4, -3. So these are the points that lie on the circle. So since they lie on the circle, that means that these points are going to satisfy the equation of a circle. So we have the first point 1, -2. So all we have to do is replace the value of x with 1 and value of y with -2 in equation number 1. So we get 1 squared plus -2 squared plus 2 times g times 1 plus 2 times f times -2 plus c equals to 0. So we have 1 plus 4 plus 2g minus 4f plus c equals to 0. So we get 2g minus 4f plus c equals to -5. So let's label this as equation number 2. And then we have the other point being 4, -3. So when we substitute into our equation, so we get the new equation, which is 8x minus 6y plus c. So that will be equals to -25. So let this be equation number 3. Now it's given here that the center of the circle, now since we have considered the center to be given by -g, -f, so this center lie on the line which is given by 3x plus 4y equals to 7. So that means that this center point is going to satisfy this equation, which implies we have 3 times -g plus 4 times -f, and this will be equals to 7. Or simply we have -3g minus 4f equals to 7. So let this be equation number 4. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll use equation 2, 3 and 4 to find out the value of g, f and c. First we'll use equation 2 and equation 3. So we'll take equation number 2 and from it let's subtract equation number 3. So that's going to give us, so we have 2g. So this is a mistake here. So this is actually g and this is going to be f. So we have 2g minus 8g gives us -6g. Then we have -4f minus of -6f. So that means we have -4f plus 6f. So that's positive 2f. Positive c and positive c, so that cancels out. We have c minus c, and then we have finally -5 plus 25, so that's positive 20. Now here we can factor out -2 from both sides. We're going to get 3g minus f equals to -10. We're going to label this as equation number 5. Now what we'll do, we will use equation 4 and 5 to find out the value of g and f because we don't have the parameter c anymore. So using 4 and 5, we can compute the value of g. This is I'm leaving as an exercise for you to try out. So g value comes out to be -47 over 15, and the value f comes out to be 3 over 5. So we can use g and f and replace it in equation 2. So that's also going to give us, so using equation number 2, we can find out the value of c. So the value of c comes out to be 11 over 5. Now that we have obtained the value of g, f and c, we will go back to our original equation, equation number 1. Let's write it down. We assume the equation to be x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let's substitute all this value. So we get x squared plus y squared plus 2. So g is -47 over 15 multiplied to x plus 2 times f. So f value is 3 over 5 times y plus c. So c is 11 over 5 equals to 0. So here we have a common denominator. So if we take the common denominator as 15 and multiply each terms with 15, then we are going to get the new equation 15x squared plus 15y squared minus 94x plus 18y plus 33 equals to 0, and this is going to be the required equation of the circle.